Hey Finxter, so real quick, in this video I want to show you the course curriculum. So what are you going to learn if you join this freelancer course program? So basically, on a very high level, I want to ensure that you earn at least $20 per hour, but so I have some students actually who are in this course who earned, after completing the course, who earned already $50 and $55 per hour. So it's like a 2 to 4 months program. It depends how much time you spend on a daily basis, where you will really dive into practical freelancing. You will start basically immediately with some Python freelancing projects. So after you watch the first chapter of the course, you will start as a freelancer with simple projects, because your skills are already valuable no matter where you are currently. So even if you are a complete beginner, your skills are valuable. So of course they are not as valuable as the skills of an advanced Python coder. So you will earn maybe only $5 to $10 per hour initially. So if you are an absolute beginner, but then of course you will level up your skills, and there's nothing like practical projects. There's really nothing that comes close to in terms of efficiency and learning efficiency. So, and this course is designed to push you through, to push your skill level, and to push you to a higher earning potential, basically. Okay, so we start. So I have some getting started videos where I want to motivate you. I give you a high level perspective, what is the course about and what is your training plan, and give you some action steps. Actually, I also have a detailed training plan, and if you really follow it to the letter, so I describe the training plan in detail here. I also have a video where I go over the training plan. Yeah, so if you check out the training plan, if you check out the video, then you will have a very clear path towards mastery in Python. Okay, so and then if you have, I also give from time to time, I have these action step lessons where I want you to implement specific action steps, like creating an Upwork profile, for example, and so on. Okay, applying for the first project, maybe applying for the first Finxter project, because there will be a Finxter project, so you can work on a small Upwork project. You get the gig from us, from Finxter.com. So I will give you the $25 project, and you will just finish a small blog article. You will write it, you will finish it successfully, because everybody can do it. Actually, it's just a bit of research. It takes a few hours of your time. Then you will have completed your first project already. This will give you confidence. You will see that you can already contribute value as you are, so in the current state. And you will then basically have a hot start on these freelancing platforms, because people will also see that you have a high rating, that you have a 5-star rating for your first project. You are not a newbie, but you have already finished your first project, so you are a reliable person, and people will love to hire you. And okay, so this will be like part of the training plans. And the second part of the course is about getting an overview of Python freelancing. So let's maybe go back to the overview. Where can I go to the overview? Training plan and overview. Here I can go back. Okay. Good. So the first part is about getting started. Then the second part is to really dive into Python freelancing. So I have interviewed advanced Python freelancers who basically tell you about their experience and their journey. So these are small interviews. They are easy to understand. It's not about technical stuff. It's only about some experience. So, and I guarantee you, only these interviews are already worth the course fee, because they are. I mean, if you see the experiences of existing freelancers who already earn a lot of money on these freelancing platforms, then I mean, this is really invaluable, because otherwise you have no way of getting them, actually. So if you want to, if you would like to start as a Python freelancer without this course, then basically, and if you wanted to have the same experience, then you would have to interview them yourself. Okay, so I have paid them actually to give me these interviews, so you would have to pay yourself. So therefore, it's much more efficient to bundle this. I've spent thousands and thousands of dollars interviewing different freelancers. Also below we see like advanced level freelancers, and we can watch them solve practical projects. Basically, they will explain their practical projects to us. And only these interviews, I mean, they were really expensive, and of course it's much more efficient. So if there are many people in the course, these people can each person in the course doesn't have to pay for all these interviews himself. Okay, so you can just benefit from the content in this course. Okay, so this is like the initial part, which gives you motivation. Motivation is really important for learning. It gives you also insights into how exactly you can strategize your online business, so creating your online business with Python. But then, I mean, if you have the overview, the big picture, then we will start going into the code. So I will give you a Python crash course, and this lesson is like, it brings you to a state where you can maybe, I would estimate, maybe earn $15 per hour after finishing this lesson. And so you could easily earn $1,000 per month if you would like to do. And I mean, just building up this skill, this is the purpose of this course. So if there is some market crash, if there are some viruses or anything, like if you get fired from your boss, then you can always fall back to this skill which you have built in this course. And and then I just structured the course like this. So we have from $0 to $1,000 per month, from 1,000 to 2,000, from 2,000 to 4,000, from 4,000 to 5,000, and then from 5,000 to 10,000, which is then a six-figure freelancer. And this is really the transformation I want you to go through. And I give you a lot of content and training material, and also like focusing on two things: your Python education and the business part of things. Okay, so how can you create a thriving coding business online, basically. So yeah, we have business education, we have Python education, and really tailored towards your freelancing online business. And then also, how can you scale it later? So if you are selling your time as a Python freelancer, then of course this is a very profitable approach. You can earn even more than a highly skilled employee, like a professor, computer science professor who earns maybe six figures. As a freelancer, you can do this yourself. As an average freelancer, even, you earn as much as you earn as a college professor or as a computer science professor. And therefore, I mean, it's a highly valuable skill already. But if you want to scale even further, then I also have some advice for you how you can do this with a scalable online business. Because online, I mean, the online world is infinite. Okay, so you can scale it. You can scale your business really. You can scale it even to six figures per month if you. I mean, there are businesses earning that much, so it's absolutely possible. I myself have not reached this point, but almost, basically. Yeah. So not, yeah. Good. Okay. So then we have some practical Upwork projects discussions from practical freelancers. I already told you, and they explain to you their Upwork projects. And this is really, and also give you $1 million checklist to write proposals and 10x your sales. So this is really about practical stuff. It's about how to get your clients, how to communicate with your clients, how to give them more value, finish stuff, and it's really a valuable piece of information. And then we have some more. So a lot of practical training, like solving code puzzles. This is like the 5th part of the course. You just solve code puzzles, improve your skills even more. And then we have a roadmap, like the next level. So what is the next level, what you have to do? And I will dynamically add more videos. I also have a Q&A section. So if you have finished the course, if you have some questions, or even as you go through the course, if you have questions, you can send them to me and I will try to answer them as well. And also, as a course member, you will have access to the Computer Science Academy, so to more Python and more specialized courses. Because if you want to be successful as a Python freelancer, after mastering the basics, it is very recommended that you start mastering specific skills, like very specific in some areas like data science or machine learning or Django, even web development. I mean, as you like, basically. It's about what you want to work on, so what you enjoy working on, basically. And if you enjoy doing it, then of course it's easy to learn. Okay, and I will give you like specific skill sets in this Python Academy, and you will also have access to the whole academy. So I can go there, academy.finxter.com. Because you will be a premium member if you join the course, Finxter lifetime premium member. So usually my premium members, they pay a monthly or even a yearly fee to have access to this content, but you will pay only the course fee, time fee, and then you will be lifetime Finxter premium member. So this is the only hack that is possible to get the Python premium membership, basically. And yeah, you see in the academy I have many like mini courses, like the ultimate guide to sets in Python, Python one-liners that fit into a tweet, even like ultimate guide to dictionaries, computer science fundamentals, algorithms, machine learning stuff, NumPy stuff, the whole coders tool chain like Git, virtual environment, and so on. I have complete beginner tutorial. Like if you really are at zero and you want to start Python, then I would recommend that you start with this course, which you will also have access to, like how to create a hangman game in Python. I have object-oriented Python. So there, we have a lot of content here on the academy, okay? And I will also add from time to time new courses to the academy. And you will, of course, you as a lifetime premium member, you will have access forever. So this is a really good deal. I'm looking forward seeing you in the course. We will chat. We will write an email if you would like to. If you have any questions, then don't hesitate to ask. I'm excited about this. I love working from home in my own rooms, being my own boss, working on my own code projects and the projects that I enjoy, and learning on the way, communicating with clients. It's really an awesome job. So join us. See you in a minute. Bye.